All right, enough of my foolishness and delaying. Now this is arguably going to be one of the most fun talks we're going to have at all during NEARCON. I would love to present to this stage Steve Ballmer's long-lost brother, probably the most fun and energetic person in the NEAR ecosystem. Please welcome David Morrison.
Please, save your applause. Friends, Romans, countrymen, you're here with me today to go on a journey, an ancient tale of bravery, fear, and more importantly, hope. Let's begin. Once upon a time, hidden amongst the swirling mists of the digital realm, laid a treasure, an incredibly powerful treasure, an enchanted satchel that was limitless and said to hold the secrets of building dreams. The ancient elven named it
the wielders Omnipotent Satchel.
The builder's omnipotent satchel had a steward, Eldrica. Day and night she watched over the satchel, waiting for the builders of the open future to arrive.
Within this satchel lies the power to craft worlds beyond imagination.
Within this satchel there are many tools. There are pillars to allow you to build the highest of structures to reach the skies and the gods. There are windows to let the magic in and the magic out. And there are doors with which you can allow anyone to enter so long as you wish. Now, millions of craftsmen around the world are able to access these tools. They don't need to learn new spells. They don't need to learn how to swing a different hammer, nor do they need to learn a new language. However, there's a problem. Despite the satchel, the ancient ways persisted. Millions of master builders around the world would journey to distant lands to seek resources. One of those lands, the Amazonian mountains, infested with Bezosians.
Give David a pay rise and a promotion.
However, as the news of the satchel's power spread, master crafters from the realms poured in to the digital realm to learn its powers. They combined building parts in ways that seemed impossible, creating palaces, towers, and structures that touched the stars. One such craftsman was
Cedric the motherfucking Curious.
Listen, why the fuck are you gonna waste your precious little time building shit when the satchel provides?
exactly when the satchel provides is exactly what Eldrica said, and that is exactly what Cedric did. He reached into the satchel and he pulled out doors, he pulled out windows, he pulled out pillars that had been built before, and he improved them and he returned them to the satchel. He built a team to build incredible structures to give away for free so everybody could build their own kingdom. They built castles as grand as the sky, and the satchel would uncover them and bring them to the people.
With the satchel?
Sharing your dream is but a wish away, away. So, the satchel is more than just tools and parts. It's the heartbeat of creation, reminding us that together we can shape the future. So one final point. With hearts filled with hope and minds buzzing with ideas, the realm's inhabitants drifted into dreams, knowing that the satchel would always be there. But let's cut the shit and let's stop taking acid and talk about the real stuff. Okay, so that was kind of esoteric, and you probably didn't really get it. It was designed for children. But you guys aren't children, for the most part, I hope. So I'm going to give you a quick example of how that exactly works. So here we have a developer. His name is Cedric the Curious, as we spoke about him earlier. He's a new developer in Web3. He doesn't know much about what he's talking about. He thinks he does, but anyway, he discovers the Satchel. He discovers the blockchain operating system. So what does he do? He says, hey, I want to have a go at that. I want to make a component that I can use anytime I want to build something bigger. Now, he's really new to developing, he's really new to Web3, so he does build this component, and he calls it the mother component. And within the mother component, there are a handful of child components. There's a navbar component, so you can search around. There's a LIDAR component, because he loves to stake his ETH on Ethereum. And there's a token price API component. So he's launched his mother component, he's sent it out into the world. Now, all of a sudden, a brilliant developer comes along. Somebody who's smart and tall, handsome, Ukrainian. And he discovers the blockchain operating system. And he wants to build a better app, a super app, an app that people will actually use. But he doesn't want to mess around building a navbar or a LIDAR component or a token price API component. He wants to build something bigger, but he needs all of those tools to build them. So what does he do? Well, he simply forks the mother component of the Cedric the Curious. Now, anybody can fork the component. Doesn't matter if you are. Doesn't matter who you are. I could fork the mother component. A teacher could fork the mother component. A doctor could fork the mother component. A cop could fork the mother component. But it doesn't matter who you are. Anybody can fork the component, and they can use it freely, immediately, and at will. So, what the fucking hell should you do next? Well, go ahead and fork Cedric's mother component and build with the near open web stack. Don't let the B.O.Sians win, because they will take your blood and they will eat you alive. And if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, OnlyFans, Tinder, Bumble, OnlyFarmers, Plenty of Fish, Lens, Near Social, Mumsnet, Tumblr, DeviantArt, Reddit, and I've got an alternate NSFW Reddit account. Thank you very much. Goodbye. God bless.